Solana may be one of the easiest and most obvious coins to hold throughout this bull run to create serious wealth over the next 12-month period. I'm going to show you in this video my price targets for Solana, why it has been performing so strongly, and where I think you could take an entry if you haven't already got any of this in your portfolio. So looking first here at the daily chart, we can see from mid-October, once Bitcoin did break above $30,000. I think it's fair to say Solana has been one of the cleanest charts to trade. In that time, we can see on the daily chart here, we've had a really clean uptrend line, which has been respected at every single daily closure since the 16th of October here. Even as recently as this week, we got a move up to up above $140, and when Bitcoin hit the all-time high, we saw a massive flush across the whole market and many coins dropping 20%. Solana was no different, and we can see here 20% move, but we got a touch right from that trend line there, $104, and we've recovered and gone even higher since. And this now has traded from that low there like 45% up in just a couple of days. So why has this performed so well over the last couple of days? This could be a huge weekly close for Solana, and this has been brought about by some really bullish news. Now if we take a look here, this is an article on Bloomberg, and it shows that Pantera Capital, who are a crypto-focused asset manager, they are raising money from large investors to buy deeply discounted Solana tokens from the estate of FTX. Remember, FTX are the exchange that went bankrupt in the end of 2022. Pantera Capital are offering the opportunity for investors to buy SOL at 39% below the average 30-day price, or $60. But the catch is, for investors, they must agree to a long-term holding period. So they can't just buy this at $60 and sell into the market overnight. So the idea is they don't want to cause a flash dump on SOL that many people are expecting. It's well known that FTX estate hold a lot of SOL. So this is kind of a way to reduce the massive dump, and they may have to agree to hold this for up to 4 years. So the fact that an investment firm is offering something where investors are potentially going to take a 4-year hold on this product means that very likely that we see much bigger move over the coming crypto cycles. So of course that's been really bullish news for Solana this week. That dropped a couple of days ago, and we've seen a really strong performance since. And if we go to the weekly chart, we can see exactly what that means. And we're going to take a look at a potential entry if you don't already have any Solana. Where we are trading at right now, we can see that potentially going to break a really big level on this weekly close here. This level was the 2021 bull market weekly support. It broke below early 2022. We saw a massive sell-off. It pumped up in March 22 and then rejected really strongly from this level. So a massive level, and we saw the rejection last week, but there's a good chance that this week does end up closing above. So this level to flip that we're looking for a close above is around $138. Any move into that, if we do close above over the coming weeks, could be the first place to look to take a swing position to trade this up towards the all-time high at $250 and way beyond. So where do I think this can go to? Guys, before I show you my price targets on this, if you haven't already, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps out, and I appreciate that a lot. So my price targets for this, if we draw the fib levels from the all-time high here at $260 down to the bear market lows at, it actually dropped under $10, it's around $7.50, then I really think that the 618 fib level up here is a pretty conservative price prediction, of where I think this can go over the coming year. I would say towards Q1 2025. I really do see this above $400, which still gives us, even from today's price, a potential move of nearly 200%. We do have to remember also that there's potentially some resistance here, the 618. So once we do accept the weekly above 138, watch out for some resistance around the $165 level next. Hope you found this video useful, guys. Let me know in the comments below, what is your price prediction for Solana? Are you holding it, and what your thoughts are on it long term? Thanks for watching, guys.